Doctors and parents, this is Vishnu Singh. Welcome to in Admission Media. Hope you guys doing absolutely fine as well as your family will be fine. In this session or in this video, we will be discussing about the NEET PG23 latest update, as well as we will be discussing on the NMC bill implementation. We all know that in Bihar there is a major step has been taken from the government and the NMC bill has been implemented. Was the latest update on that? What will be the next procedure there? That whether there will be any court case on that? Like it happened in the MP state last year. What will happen? We'll be discussing on that. As well in this video, we will be discussing about what is happening in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, UP, Bihar, Rajasthan, MP. All the states will be covered in this regarding your NMC bill implementation, as well as we will be discussing about the PG24. That in PG24 whether it will be NEET or on the other hand it will be next. What will be that? As well as we will be also discussing about the NEET PG23 seat matrix. That in multiple of the YouTube videos are there that this much of seat increment is there. This much will be the positive shift. In this video, we will be discussing about discussing about if your rank is good or if your rank is if your mediocre rank, then how many good opportunities can be there for you. But at the same time, if you're looking at the open state seats, then what is going to be happen and what's the fee structure will be there. In this video we will be discuss on these topics. So if you new on this channel and if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel as well as our Telegram channel Admission Media, then do subscribe it, because whatever the latest update will be there, we'll be posting on that, as well as the supporting article which was published in the all the newspapers of India in different in their local newspaper as well as the national newspaper. This video will be shared in our Telegram channel, so do join it for the fact checks also, because we are not talking about just increment or anything. We are talking on the behalf of some proofs and fact which our team has collectively collected from all the articles. As well as if you're looking for a private group, where you don't want to share your contact details with anyone, then you can join our WhatsApp teleclass. WhatsApp group is there. You can just scan this QR code and join it. In this, your contact details won't be shared to anyone, so you can join it also. As well as if you're looking for a paid counseling or premium counseling guidance, or if you have already made your NRI documents and thinking how to proceed for the counseling, because in this session making a document is not more than enough, because you might get allotment. I won't say that you can't get allotment. You can get allotment, but joining won't be there, because this year rules and regulation will be totally different. The document verification checking will be at the different level, so you have to proceed very carefully. And if you not connected with the counseling for more than 10 years, or you are not doing, if your relative is there and they are doing counseling in every second year or third year, then no doubt you can do your counseling, because to understand the counseling's basic you need at least 10 years expertise to understand how the shift will be there, what will be the shift will be there. Because last year cutoff, if you proceeding with that, believe me, you won't be getting any seat. This is not said by me. Multiple of the council will be telling you that if you proceeding just behalf of the last year things and last year cutoff, no seat will be allotted. Let's start without making any further ado. First we will be talking about the Karnataka. Then in Karnataka the new government has been formed, and the people, the colleges of Karnataka, there is 10% minority seats will be deducted from your open seats. Means there are mainly three minority, there are three types of seats in Karnataka. First one is Comet K, then second one is linguistic, third is KRLM, that is Karnataka Regional Linguistic Minority. For this 10% more seats will be deducted from your open quota seats, and these seats will be go into the government quota seats. Means, for example, if I understand you, currently if there is any XYZ college in Karnataka and there is 10 seats in A college, and from now after deducting this 10% seats for the minority quota, only 7 seats will be left for the open quota seats. Means currently if there is 10 seats, after this new policy, or if after giving 10% seats to the minority quota, only 7 seats will be open for the open quota seats. So you can understand what can be happen. Due to this government, the private colleges, in private colleges also there is government quota seat. That is not NMC bill, but something is like that. Since the beginning is happening in Karnataka, all the private colleges of Karnataka as well as deemed colleges of Karnataka perform or send their some seats into government quota. After this thing, they are asking to raise their fees from 15 to 25%. Yes, it is expected that somewhere around 15 to 25% fees will be also hiked for the open quota seats. At the same time, your open quota seats will be decreased and fees will be also increased. So you can understand what can be the policies for you. But if you are mid ranker and the higher ranker, then no doubt Karnataka is a high cutoff state. A great opportunity will be there for you. On the second hand, if I talk about Bihar, we all know Bihar has already did the NMC bill implementation. The fee structure for UG has already been implanted. The new fee structure has already been released from the fees fixation committee. Now people will say it has happened in the MP also. MP went to the court and the High Court is not delivered any final judgment on that. See, in Bihar last year also the private colleges has already mentioned, they have already said to their government, if anything will happen and the NMC will or anything finalized by the government, we will be expecting that we have no issues in that. But whatever the fees will be deducted from the government quota seat will be added in the private quota seat. And due to this, we have seen a new thing in Bihar, that is NRI bill. NRI seats were imposed in the Bihar government and the Bihar private colleges got NRI seats. So in the same way, possibilities is there that there won't be any much court case or anything like that, because the fees is not fixed by any government. Fees is fixed by fixed fixation committee. So there is a difference. There is no any political game and there is a fixed fixation committee, and they have already decided the fees for the UG as well as PG. They haven't released it, but for UG the fee structure has already been released. So maximum probable chances is that again Bihar is a high cutoff state and the domicile of Bihar will be having a beneficiary from it, and they will be getting a higher branches at the lower rank also because of this thing in private colleges. On the other hand, if I talk about the Tamil Nadu, last year Tamil Nadu went to the Supreme Court and everything happened. We all know they were highly against the NMC bill, but now Tamil Nadu government has asked the private colleges or the self-financing colleges to give their seat to the government quota. They have asked 1739 seats for MBBS, 1410 seats for BDS, and 18 private colleges, that is 18 private colleges for the PG and 16 private dental colleges. They have asked a total amount of 407 seats for the government quota in PG, and for dental they have asked 139 seats. If this thing will happen, you can understand again Tamil Nadu is open state. Your open quota seats will be going to be decreased. What will happen to the fee structure will be increased, decreased. That's a matter of time. We will be having a clear notification once there will be any final update on that. Without any doubt, if fees is if seats is decreased, then the fees will be increased for the open quota. Again, Tamil Nadu is a higher cutoff state. The domicile of Tamil Nadu will be having a very much profit from this fact. Again, if I move to the next state, Andhra and Telangana, they have already published that their fee structure going to be increased. They are already doing their work on that. Second, Jharkhand NMC will be there. In Jharkhand, we don't have to worry much because in Jharkhand there is no PG seats. But currently there is Manipal and they have already given somewhere around 25 to 30 seats to the government quota. And another one is Lakshmi Bai and they have already doing it. So in Bihar, might be NRI seats will be there, but possibility is that there will be an NMC bill. West Bengal, already court case is going on, so there is no comment from our side because it's a matter of court. Chhattisgarh, again they can go on the Rajasthan type. In Chhattisgarh, there is already a government quota seats in private colleges, but their fees is very high. Might be in this session their fees will be decreased for the government quota seats, and it will be done. In Rajasthan also there is a government quota seats and there is a state quota seat, but their fee structure is not very much high, but comparatively to the other states it is high. Like Punjab did that, their private colleges fees is the government quota fees. Might be some changes can be seen in the Rajasthan, Rajasthan as well as Punjab, that government quota fees can be decreased, while the other hand it will be increasing for the private quota. Haryana can do the same thing. Now I will be talking about the most famous state between the NEET PG as well as NEET UG candidate, that is UP and that is Uttar Pradesh. We all, if we are going for a private colleges, that's an open state, we all just put the UP effort. Like we just run for UP because we all know on the lower rank we can also get the seat. In UP, the table talk has been started regarding the NMC bill implementation. Now people will say, no doubt many of the people come forward and say, in UP NMC bill can't be implemented. There is a lots of private medical colleges in UP and it can't be happened. UP private colleges won't be giving their private quota seats to the government. For you, there is a gentle reminder for you. If I go to 3 to 4 years back, in UP, there was 16, 17, 18, 19, even up to 20 lakh per annum was the security deposit. At the same time, 5, 10, 12, 15 lakh per annum was the hostel and mess fees. But once our honorable UP Chief Minister Sri Yogi Adityanath ji has entered the politics of UP, they have reduced this fees to a very limited. So if UP CM can decrease this money mafia or whatever you can call it, you can name it. I won't be giving any comment on that. But he has did a very great job, and the security deposit and the hostel fees has been fixed by the UP government. So in UP, in a state like UP, then even this thing can happen. NMC bill can also be there. Might be there will be a same Bihar state policy that there will be NRI seats in the government and as well as in the private colleges. Might be there will be a management quota seats like it is happening in Karnataka. Whatever will be there, but possibilities is increasing in this session that there will be something. And in UP, CM Yogi Adityanath is very popular for their major steps like this. So let's hope for the best. But if anything happen like this, then there will be a great opportunity for all the UP states candidates, that if currently you are getting somewhere ortho, then you might get medicine as well as radio also. At the same time, if you're getting anesthesia, then there will be a possibility that you can get surgery out the mid-clinical like PD and other branches. So how to proceed for this session counseling is totally different. You have to plan your counseling as per that. Just looking at the 50% all India expected cutoff, or looking at the NMC bill implementation, or looking at the NMC website that this much seats has been increased, this much seats will be going to increase, not gonna help you in your counseling. You have to proceed your counseling due to this also, because these are not very small rules. If these rules mainly happen, then you have to plan your counseling and choice filling as per that, because at the very last moment you can't plan your counseling as per that. NMC website we have seen every year there are lots of the seats getting increased, but at the final time whatever the seats will be coming in your seat matrix, that will be the final seat matrix. It won't be like that. NMC website has shown you 60,000 seats, and in seat matrix 60,000 seats will be there. It's nothing like that. It didn't happen in every session. We have seen multiple of the sessions of PG as well. It's not that true. Looking at the NMC website and planning your counseling as per that, not gonna help you. You have to plan your counseling keeping other states as the option. At the same time, if your rank is very good or you have a medium rank, there's no problem for you. You can proceed with that. There's no problem, because at the last time, if you having a rank of 3000, then you will be getting a radio, derma, medicine, and not at the top colleges but at the bottom colleges of India. You must be getting. You won't be having compromisation with your branch. But if your rank is around 20,000 and you are planning for DNB Gynae at the same time looking at the states, or looking at the low budget private colleges, then at the second round of counseling you can plan it, because the higher branches or the good colleges seats will be already packed up. Means they have already people who have got in the round one, they must be joining it. So you have to plan your counseling as per that. And as I already mentioned, if you're planning counseling, if you have already made a NRI document, or you are just eligible, because in this counseling or in every year, getting eligible in NEET PG is not just the easy part. There are multiple of the candidates who are trying since 3 to 4 years and they are not getting eligibility. So if you have got the eligibility score, or you will be eligible after this revised cutoff, then your counseling planning will be very important, because in a state you can get a lower state, you can get a lower, higher branch at the lower fees, while in the other state, if you are Rajasthan I am talking, then you will be getting a higher branches, very higher fees. So you have to plan your counseling as per that, and making an NRI document is not gonna help you, because in this session I have already mentioned, and in the previous session also, multiple of the people have got the allotment. If you come to our office, we can surely show you that multiple of the candidates has got the allotment in MCC website, but the joining didn't happen because of the different rules and regulations. So you have to plan your counseling as per that. If I talk about what will be NEET PG, that is, it will be next on NEET. There is no proper update on the point that whether it will be NEET itself or next year itself. If I talk about the students, there are multiple of the students having a multiple opinions. especially the candidates who are going to be appearing the first time in PG. They're having a very fast rumor that it will be PG itself, but at the same time our health minister साहब has already mentioned that it will be next, that is next लेके आ रहे हैं. At the same time, if he is planning for NEET PG and next at the same time, then he can also say but नए बच्चों के लिए नेक्स्ट होगा और पुराने वालों के लिए नीट होगा. बट ही डिडंट मेंशन एनीथिंग लाइक दैट. ही क्लियरली सेड कि नेक्स्ट लेके आ रहे हैं अगले साल. सो गिविंग अ स्टेटमेंट लाइक दिस फ्रॉम हेल्थ मिनिस्टर इज नॉट इजी जॉब. If he has said, there must be a reason. Whatever is there, we'll be updating in the next video. But what is next? What is next one? Next two? If you are already a post intern, then what you have to do? If your PG has already, if your UG has already completed, you got your degree, then you have to give only next, not next two. Next two is only for the ongoing batches of MBBS. What is complete discussion? As I have already posted in multiple of the videos, you can check it out. If I talk about in PG23, the fees is going to be increased in almost all the states of India. There are multiple of the notices on that also. There will be a very good opportunity for the higher rank as well as the mediocre ranks of the candidates. How to proceed for the counseling is the most important part. If you proceeding your counseling properly, you will be getting a seat without any doubt, because seats are not decreasing, seats are going to be increased. And it happened every year, but how much increment will be there, how much positive shift will be there, at the same time what going to be happen for the private colleges or low budget private states or open seats of India or the open states of India, I have already mentioned you can plan your counseling as per that. But at the same time, if you're looking for a paid counseling or premium counseling, then you can contact us on the given number below. This is it in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.